dragging no more. Just kidding. Alright, I made this bridge very strong. Y'all hold on. Alright. Just make sure you go a little bit to the left. Alright. No!
That was great. Holy shit. What'd you do last night? How rednecks get a bonfire going.
Oh yeah, he's throwing the fucking bottles out there.
Oh.
Shoot him.
So it's all over the place.
Who knows, bro?
One down there in the hole in
You gotta hit it on the other side. All the thin shit's on the other side.
How many people does it take to start a fire? This is getting intense. Just a typical Friday in the neighborhood, right?
Let's do some more. Come on, bro.
Let's do some more, he said. Randy's waiting. Randy's waiting.
Woo! I probably ought to be holding this motherfucker.
Brian, put the bucket down, goddammit. He wants to fill that bucket up.
I know, but I'm fucking old and I can't hold this.
Oh, come
I can hold this.
on.
Watch, in the end, it's all still gonna be out.
Hold on. Go ahead, bro.
Oh.
I got some oil too if you want to pour in there.
Yeah, motherfucker's burning now, bitch. Yo! Alright, here we go. Rock and roll, baby. Where that fuck come from?
Phil's pocket saw. What you know about that? This is an epic night.
That's it. It's going.
It's going. It's going.
I got a goddamn chainsaw in my pocket. I'll take care of this shit.
I got a chainsaw in my pocket.
He's like, oh, hey, fuck, I forgot this thing. Hold on.
Give me his money.
Yeah, y'all been doing all this bullshit. Hold on, I got the goddamn chainsaw in my pocket.
If I rob motherfucker, I can.
Yeah, like, all of a sudden he shows up with
Oh
it.
shit, I got my keys. Fuck.
Like, who fucking chainsaws that, dude? Motherfucker, dude.
Listen, I ain't got a fucking knife in my pocket.
He trying
He's
to
got a
build.
fucking chainsaw.
He gonna build a fire.
Dude, I'm always saying he's a fucking Uber Cuban, dude. Makes us all look bad.
Well,
dude.
you need
It
some
makes
little,
us all look bad. He shows me the goddamn
you do
chainsaw.
need some little shit to make it hard, and it's so spread out.
We're throwing fucking, if I got a fucking some shit on there. With a goddamn chainsaw.
Where the hell did Phil get this saw from?
Hey, look at this.
Let's consolidate, guys. We could have used that fucking an hour ago. All this little shit up.
Slide out move, bro. All of a sudden you show with a fucking chainsaw. Right, hey. You know, bro, I grew up in Slide. I'm sorry. Boom. Watch this, you know? Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Don't be too much of a dick, Randy. You gotta check Randy's thought. It can't be too much of a dick.
I think he's being fine.
And play. Go. Tannerite. And 3, 2.
What the fuck? I squeeze the fuck out of the trigger and then go off.
Yeah, man. It's fucking
Hold the fuck up. Oh,
I'm gonna hit
hold on.
pause. And we're back.
Alright, you ready, Pat?
I'm ready.
You're on fire.
3 ticks to the left,
On fire. Way left.
Yep.
1 tick up. That's skinny target.
You ready, Pat?
I'm ready when you are.
Deseret's gonna be here soon, Phil.
Nice. What a Friday night. I'll say it.
6 pounds, Tannerite. With a little bit of gasoline.
Dude, no. Wait, hold on. Dude, no, I'm not ready. I don't have my earplugs in. Hold
Damn, Pat.
on. My bad. Just stay there, my dude. Just stay there, my dude. My bad, dude. Now I'm good. Ready?
Ready?
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna tell you what, she would not ever.
That was nice. I like that one. Oh, yeah. I'm glad I put my earplugs in on that mother effer. Whoo, that was loud, boy. Damn.
Where the fucking gasoline went?
I don't know.